Okay, so COVID is something which has come upon all of us all over the world. It's a pandemic which has really shaken us, and especially more so when you are pregnant or when you are even planning a pregnancy. A lot of girls are very worried, what is going to happen? How is it going to affect my baby? How is it going to be? Do I need an abortion? So it's important to know that COVID is something which is not going to additionally affect you, in the sense that it is going to cause the same kind of symptoms which it causes in a non-pregnant patient as well. It's not that it is going to be more severe in pregnancy. However, we do all know that pregnancy is a time when the immunity does go down. So, you would definitely need to take a lot of precautions because you still come under the vulnerable category. So make sure, first of all, that all the precautions are being taken. Make sure that you're always wearing a mask. Try not to go out unnecessarily. Make sure you wash your hands very frequently with soap and water, and use very liberally a hand sanitizer which is alcohol based. Do practice social distancing and make sure that you're not the only one who is going out to the market, malls, etc., because this is a time to be very, very careful. Also, do remember that COVID does not affect the baby in terms of congenital malformations. It is not going to cause congenital defects in your baby. Also, do note that most of the times it does not cause things like abortions. Some preterm deliveries may happen, but that is because of the disease, because the disease may be so severe that we may need to bring about a preterm delivery earlier. Sometimes, of course, you may be affected by this infection, but make sure that you know that this will not affect your baby. You cannot transmit it to your baby in the womb and even at the time of delivery. There are some precautions, of course, that we will need to take even at the time of delivery. We have to minimize the number of attendants who will be available with you. We will make sure that your COVID test is done prior to admission, and we ensure that all PPE is used so that we don't risk any infection to you. So always remember that though these are very difficult times, do remember that it is not going to affect your baby either in the antenatal period or at the time of delivery, or even when you feed the baby. Feeding is not contraindicated even if you're a patient of COVID. You can easily feed your baby if you feel that you would like to, because medically there is no contraindication to even feeding your baby and even skin to skin contact when you're using a mask. So stay happy, increase your immunity, eat well, sleep adequately, and make sure that you remain positive. Yoga, meditation, exercise, a healthy pregnancy, even in difficult times.